This is now part 3 in our series on the crystal batteries, and this is a new one that we've done. The batteries that we showed you before were done with copper and aluminum. This one uses magnesium cores, and this is 3 different cells. If you want to know how to make these cells, you need to go see a guy named Laser Saber, and I'll put a link to his channel in the comments. But this is 3 copper caps. These are 1 1/4 inch copper caps, and then I have a 5/8 magnesium core. I'll put that in there. Guys, we're recording. And just drill some holes and put some little bolts in them. Just drill a hole right in the middle of the magnesium core, and then we use the solution that Laser Saber uses, and I've got mine sealed up with some tub sealer. It's a silicone tub sealer, and basically I've just got, magnesium to copper, magnesium to copper, magnesium to copper. So we've got them hooked up in series. We got about 4 volts out of them, and we were lighting up LEDs with it, and we realized that it would light up 8 white LEDs, and I thought, well, if it'll do that, it'll run this circuit. So this is just this is a 7414 for anybody who knows anything about electronics. This is a 7414 Scott trigger, or Schmidt trigger, inverter, and we're driving 6 LEDs at a frequency of about 10 hertz or something, pretty fast. And this is just an oscillator circuit. This has been running since Thursday afternoon, and this is Monday morning. So we're going to just leave this sit up in our classroom and see how long this will run. And after I might give you some updates on this one. Let's go ahead and go over here and look at the cells. Get a little crowded. Let me scoot some things. These are the crystal cells that we made with aluminum and copper, and it uses the same formula that Laser Saber uses in that other one. I've talked about this formula in my previous videos. And we've got, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 7 cells here. They each produce about a 1/2 volt each with no load. With this load on there, it goes down to about 2.5 volts, and it's probably running 5 milliamps through that to get that to light up that much. So for a junky, crappy battery, it's doing pretty good. And we're just leaving that. That's been running for now a little over a week, almost 2 weeks. It'll be 2 weeks since Thursday. So actually, I need to put a date on this one. So that's what's the update on those. We will give you an update. I've already built a yard light out of using copper pipe and magnesium tape, and I'm going to do some more experimentation with that. Maybe even try to build a bigger battery that will produce enough current to drive a motor. But we'll let you know.